Living in Vermont, we are used to the big snowstorms that hit every winter. And as we watch them from the windows of Mack headquarters, it's hard for us to imagine that in a few months, the snow will have melted away and the view will become all green. But the springtime does come, and along with it comes the planting of the Mack Community Garden. Each spring, employees of Mack are offered an opportunity to claim a space to plant their vegetables and flowers. Over the course of the summer, the plants have taken root, and Mack now has a full-grown garden.
We started the garden, rejuvenated this whole garden community. A lot more beds being used. We have people growing corn, beans, peas, zucchini, yellow squash, tomatoes. I have tomatoes, I have zucchini, and I have red peppers that are all doing very well. Sometimes the weeds do a little bit better, but we just keep up on top of that. And it's a great thing for people to get together in the garden and compare notes and talk about what they found successful and what might be better off with their gardens they've tried in other people's gardens. It's a good effort. And we've actually had some leftover cucumbers that have been brought in, or leftover zucchini that have been brought in. So then it goes beyond the garden community and comes to the cafeteria where people can help themselves, which is kind of one of the goals of it, was to get other people interested in it by virtue of, here's what I grew, take some home.
The Mack Community Garden is open to anyone who wishes to put their green thumb to use. Employees sign up and are given a plot of land to grow whatever they wish, from strawberries to corn to peppers to sunflowers. Mack provides more than 20 raised beds, fenced in to protect the fruits of their labor from local wildlife, tools, a rainwater collection system, and assistance with maintenance in the spring and fall. In fact, when the summer comes to an end, students from Arlington Memorial High School participating in the AMHS Community Service Day come to help Mack clean up their garden space so it's ready for use in the spring.